Okay, so it's 5:30 a.m. and Melissa's already up. She gets up way too early. This is a day. Okay, we want to keep a pathway to the mirror. And this is what we have left. I don't know, guys. I don't know. What are you doing?
I just don't want there to be wrinkles.
What are you doing?
I'm ironing the sheet. Doesn't everybody do that?
What the hell?
I have been surprised by how focused and excited I've been about getting everything ready for someone else to stay in our home. When I was a teenager, I did spend a summer earning money as a maid. It wasn't a job I particularly liked. However, I've really enjoyed trying to get everything just so and just perfect. I've probably driven Chris a little bit crazy on this, and you know, he didn't know that his wife sometimes ironed sheets, but it happens.
Bless you.
It's official, the master bathroom is 100% ready to go. And then check this out. Little extras that we've collected from hotels. And then a little note saying, hey, if you forgot something, why not use one of these? Master bathroom, you are complete. Okay, here's another space I get to mark off as done. Oh, I want to wipe down the shelf one more time. Never mind, not quite done. Ah! Basement bathroom is still intact. Everything is ready to roll. I even did a little extra touch of, like, you know, like in hotels a lot of times that'll be folded over. So I thought I should do it. All right, I know it's a small thing, but it is so nice to be like done with the laundry room. Like, I'm not gonna wash clothes in here anymore. Right now it is 8:32 and really the entire basement is done. The bedroom is done. The master bathroom's done. The guest bathroom's done. There's a little bit of packing left to do.
We have been a little bit delayed. There's a lot to do. And then I was doing the video so you guys can have one. In fact, you've probably already seen it. It's the Lime Quest video. I've always heard before you go on big trips, you should check out your engine. Yeah, actually, I don't know what I'm doing. We should be good. Honey, I looked at the engine. Everything should be fine. Melissa did a snap, so one snap, she snapped at me, and I did one snark. So one snap, one snark, for it's such a big change, that's not bad at all. One snap, one snark. We are packed to the brim. Melissa is calling the main living area done. It is complete. And we have gone to the bathroom for the last time here. I even sat down when I went, yeah, well, I didn't want to splatter all over. So, you know, we wanted a clean bathroom. So I did that. I took it for the team. I'm assuming Melissa sat down.
All right, it's official.
We're done?
We're done.
Okay, let's go.
Huh. All right, this is the last time in the Caribou Coffee lineup before we head out. And my favorite Caribou. Again.
Did you guys know it takes 14.3 seconds to order her coffee drink?
But now I do it on the app.
Welcome to Caribou. Go ahead with your order, please.
Well, it's changed a little bit. I would like, well, actually, I've been spoiling myself the past few days. I would like a large white mocha with coconut milk, 2 extra shots of espresso, no whipped cream, no or half of the chocolate. Yeah, no sprinkles. Thank you.
32 seconds. Jesus Christ.
Okay, so there's yours, honey.
No, this
That's not.
that is.
That one says the large coffee of the day on it.
That's really light. God damn, you're right.
Hey, did you all hear me say that my new order is large, 2 extra shots of espresso because I've been being a little extra lately because of our big adventure?
Oh my gosh, you're gonna be bouncing off the walls. I guess this is your sandwich.
Oh God. You don't get a boom for guessing it's my sandwich.
Yes!
But you did get it right. You got it right.
Hey, did you just spill coffee on that computer?
No.
Yeah, you did.
Well,
Ah!
you see what I live with is like, oh, let's find a way to pick on Melissa. Oh, she must have made some kind of mistake while she wasn't paying
Let's go
attention.
drive 26 hours together.
I think. Yeah, how far away are we from Moorhead, Fargo?
I have no idea.
Oh.
My guess is about 100 miles. I could be wrong though. Never mind, the road's fine. We're still going. It was a different road. Hey, you stop that! You know, I think there was something in our vows that you weren't supposed to do that.
The vows you wrote were promises to me.
Oh, hey, you did it again! You know what? Let's renew our vows because you're getting a whole new set of vows.
Quick update, Chris had just guessed that we were about 100 miles from the border. Turns out we are 54 miles from Fargo. We're almost there. Here we go, North Dakota.
We're in North Dakota!
Woo! Gary, we're discussing that sort of thing.
I-94
Sorry.
West.
We're going to continue on I-94 West. If you are coming to North Dakota, don't you bring any bait fish into this state. How do monster cookies taste in North Dakota?
They taste so much better. I don't know what it must be, the flat land.
Honey, we've been on the road for like 8 hours, right?
It seemed like 2 hours.
My
So-
hair, oh gosh, that's
Jesus.
crazy. My hair looks like I've been in a car for 8 hours.
Your hair looks delightful. So we're 2.5 miles from our destination, according to the maps here.
And then we get to go figure out food, because we need another meal. We've only had one meal today.
Straight ahead and then left turn.
I hope
You
people
have
are good in
arrived at your
here.
destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Melissa thinks it's a nice room. Here, let's take a quick tour. Melissa, I just did the quickest tour ever. Well, there you have it. We made it to Bismarck, North
Right.
Dakota. It's been a long day of travel.
Yeah.
I'm sick of driving. I want to eat. We're going to go try a place to see if they have the patio, right?
Right.
And then if they don't have the patio, we're going to do curbside and then come back in.
Although, don't you love that there was that hashtag Mask Up North Dakota or Mask Up ND, and it was like maybe a few feet in front of a graveyard. I think that might be a sign. Y'all need to mask up or you're gonna end up in that grave a lot earlier.
I'm great.
And then if you get me in that grave, I'm gonna be pissed. And I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna haunt you, even if ghosts aren't real. I'm gonna find a way.
Oh my gosh. Oh, great, thanks. Thanks for the hateful comments from North Dakota viewers now. I just want food. I want it out here now, and then I want to eat it. Will we get food, or will we starve to death? This is what life is like in COVID times. We're traveling. We've got an amazing meal from, I think, an amazing chef. but we gotta sit and eat it in our room. No nice romantic music going. We're not sipping a nice cocktail.
Okay.
We're just gonna stop.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching the Chris+Mel Show. Be sure you take a moment and like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you keep up with the latest of the Chris+Mel Show.